What is up, everyone? It is me. I've been MIA only for a week this time, but for good reason. If you don't know, I am Michelle. If you're new here, what's up? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So today I'm gonna vlog with you all. I'm just gonna be taking you with me, just kind of what I have to do today.
I lost my job again.
To COVID. This is the third time. So I don't have to go to work for a little bit, so I figured why not? So I bought this juice to make me skinny. I don't know if it's gonna do that. I hope it does. I hope it's good. I had to do an on-screen taste because if I don't like it, I do have some coffee in the freezer, which I really want. I like it. Oh no! What do they call this? Full sin? Why? I think that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so let's get to cleaning my room and then we'll go clean my car and we'll do a little bit of thrifting. So I actually just pulled up to Goodwill, which I'm actually really excited about because I was gonna go to Savers, but I've been going to Savers the last few times. And it's because when I came to this Goodwill, the first quarantine, they said that they were going out of business. So I was like, okay, obviously it's not open anymore, but they are open, and I think that's tight. So my goal for today is only to spend $20. Maybe 30. I'm pretty optimistic. I hope I can get at least one new purse. I get all of my purses from thrift stores. I've been getting so many compliments on this purse. It's literally was $4. So yeah, so we're gonna go in and then we'll see what we find. Do you think these people got divorced? So I'm back in the car. I'm about to take my mask off, but I don't really like to touch my mask or anything until I sanitize. My mama got me this one. It's my favorite, low key, because it's just so convenient to spray. It's the Olivia Care one. It is vegan, cruelty-free, no sulfates, no parabens. Tomorrow's wash day, so I'll wash all my masks tomorrow. I did not, I spent way more than $20, but at the same time I also think she kind of messed up a little bit, but I'm not going to hold it to her. I am just going to charge it to the game. So I'm back from the thrift store, which does complete my errand runnings today, errands that I have to run today. Yeah, as I stated a little earlier, I went way over my budget, only by $20. I spent $40. But let me show you what I got. So honestly, I got this little doozy. I think it's super cute. I got this bag. I thought this one was super cute too. My head's probably cut off, but it's really the bag that I'm not of. So it's a cute little backpack. And honestly, the thing is, I probably won't even keep this for myself. I'll probably end up giving this to my goddaughter. And then I got this bag. I'm usually not a fan of super big bags like this. But boom, purse haul done. So now, as far as the clothes, I got these pants. These are so cute. And then I just got some plain t-shirts. Well, not super plain. This is the Champion brand. And then I got that same shirt in red. So I wish they would have had it in yellow. They had so much I thought was so cute. It's so basic, I'm gonna try to get closer just so you can kind of see the texture. Like that's really why I kind of got it. There's a texture and I love like this color. I think that'll be super cute with like a cute plain necklace. If you know places to get like simple necklaces, like maybe like some cute Cuban links or something like that, drop it down low for me if you will in the comments, or one time. And then I got this shirt. It just says Boston, but I feel like it's a pretty good t-shirt, you know, plain, just basic. Like I like plain shirts, but I do like basic, like with stuff on it too. But like if there's stuff on it, it needs to be basic, I guess. I don't like my shirts to be too busy. And then I just got some leggings. These are only on sale. Oh yeah, that's why. See, I need to relook at that receipt because this has a blue tag. This has a blue tag. This one has a blue tag. And I believe these have a blue tag as well. Yeah, and these have a blue tag. So I have 4 items that should be 50% off. Me, 2 items at 50% off. Yeah, I knew it. I was like, that can't be right. Like
the math just didn't add up to me.
Yeah, I definitely should have saved way more money. I mean, not way more, maybe like, well, it's like $7 more, actually. That's kind of, I mean, I don't know. Is $7 a lot of money? Because I spent 40. Yeah, I could have spent 30 something. Yeah! $7 actually kind of is a lot of money now that I think about it. But I don't know how I could make her believe that, like, I don't know. Whatever, I just need to charge it to the game, so I'm not thinking about. Alright, so I'm out of the shower and everything, so now I'm gonna make a charcuterie board. I told Ashley she can come over whenever. I don't know the exact definition of a charcuterie board. I'll maybe put one in here if I find one. But I even bought a brand new board to like put it on. So everything's pretty much sliced. I just have to cut this summer sausage, and then I have to cut a cheese, and then the grapes, you just put it on there regular. And then I got a pomegranate because I seen that people have like fruit, so that's why I got the grapes and the pomegranates. And then I got 2 different types of crackers. I just got wheat and then classic. These just look more fancier than Ritz, so that's why I was like, yeah. I'm gonna use regular cheddar cheese, and then I'm gonna use this Gouda cheese. Oh, I have one more cheese. It's called Munster cheese or something like that, but someone told me that this cheese was very bomb, so I wanted to get that poppin'. Here she is. I think for our first time, it's not too shabby. This is a wine. I literally Googled good beginner wines because I just really feel as a 27-year-old, I just need to try to drink red wine. Like if I'm at like an event or something, they only have red or white and I hate the white. Like, I mean, I could just not drink, yes, but I would like to participate. So yeah, this is what we're gonna try. Well, here's the wine. I've poured it. It's so dark. It reminds me of the it like gives me communion vibes. So with red wine, I see that you have to air. Like when you do this, it's because you have to aerate it. Because red wine needs air in it to give it more body. But so I guess maybe white wine's already bodied, or I don't know. I don't know. It smells like I'm not gonna like it, honestly. And I was just thinking earlier how I was so pissed I didn't think to get a backup one. So if I hate it or not, I'm gonna finish it. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
Ready.
Ashley's in the back taking a test with me. There you go.
Hi, Shelly's vlog.
Okay. To my 78 subscribers.
I mean, I wouldn't drink it like
On the
it wouldn't be
regular.
my first choice. How do you feel?
It is not bad. I think I would have this to impress people, but I do think it's a good beginner wine. I 100% agree because I don't know if you were here. Yeah, I did say that when I was talking about how I googled it was a beginner wine. I do think this is actually a really good beginner red because I don't think it's bad, but I definitely wouldn't. I'm still gonna go Moscato probably every time still, but yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close out this vlog just because my friend's here. We're gonna enjoy ourselves. We just launched our first Thirsty Thursday, so oh, how fitting on a Thursday. It is Thursday. Yeah.
Perfect.
So I'm gonna go ahead and head out as usual. If you want to keep up with me, you can follow me on Instagram at Shelly Says So, Twitter at Shelly Says So, or Snapchat Shelly Do. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.